What if your sneakers could help save the planet? In 2016, Tim Brown and Joey Zwillinger launched Allbirds in San Francisco, crafting shoes from merino wool instead of plastic. Their simple, comfy design and eco-mission made headlines. The real breakthrough? Allbirds Wool Runner, sold out in days, sparking a sustainable sneaker craze. Now in 35+ countries, they've sold millions of pairs and inspired giants to go green. Fun facts: each pair uses 60% less energy. Their sweet foam soles are made from sugarcane, and even Google invested. Lesson: innovate with purpose. Would you wear nature on your feet?